So, nothing.
Yeah, we play everything from Santana to Chicano. Yeah, I'm just a lab machine, and I don't work for nobody but you. And then my temperature rise, then I go over 1,000. I say, man, why am I true? Hijo de la chingada, is that a joint, man? Man, looks like a freaking quarter pounder, man. Led Zeppelin, ooh. Man, looks like a quarter pounder, man. Yeah. Where'd you get this weed from, man? My dog in my stash, man. I had it from where I was 3 days in the bag and get it back. We're smoking some, mostly my Wowie. It's got some Labrador. Labrador? What's Labrador? It's dog shit. We're smoking dog shit, man. Come on, man. Coke it up, man. Coke it up, man. Man, I can smoke anything. I've been smoking since I was born. I smoked that my Wowie. I smoked that Thai stick. I smoked gold. I smoked that Thai stick. What's Thai stick? You know, that stuff is tied to a stick. Yeah, man, I can smoke. I can smoke the whole joint and still walk away, man. Won't do nothing to me, man. Ooh. I had to follow where I was back for 3 days to get it back. I mean, we're smoking dog shit, man. My goodness. J.Stoner out with Led Zeppelin 2. No voice. Over.